Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. Also, Bitcoin Cash hard fork is coming up on November 15th. And the stock market dropped more than 600 points today. So just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that EOS Cafe is going to have an airdrop on December 25th, which is Christmas. And Snapshot will be on December 21st. Also, EOSBET, make sure you go and claim the dividends. If you're interested, you can click the link below. And BetDice is having a lucky draw every day, and you can claim your lucky draw. This is a free money, so you should once in a while just go to the site and claim your free EOS. And also they have payout as well every hour, and you can also stake your token to earn additional payout. So make sure you go to my balance and claim your payout once in a while. And I come across that radar and I go to the last 24 hours. I saw EOS Jacks, so I check it out, and you can play the EOS Jack, just like roll the dice, and you can bet even very tiny amount, 0.1. So I play on it and I earn some EOS. And you can also get a dividend as well, and also you can stake your token as well. I stake a tiny amount and see how it goes. So this is pretty interesting. So if you're interested, you can click the link below as well. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, giveaway, hard fork, or token swaps. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So today, the stock market, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 600 points because they are saying that Saudi Arabia is going to cut oil production, as well as China and US is going to have a trade war or something. I think this is just give them a reason for that. I don't know if you still remember a few weeks ago, probably 4 weeks ago, I talked about the global reset. And so this is the article I talked about the global reset back in probably 4 weeks ago. So if I go back to my previous video, you can see here, global currency reset, beware of November 11. So November 11 is the Veterans Day on Sunday. And on Sunday, the stock market is not open or anything. So it's lingering until today. So, and November 11. So today, the stock market crashed 600 points. Last time, I don't know if you still remember, October 10, we have a mini stock market crash. The Dow Jones dropped more than 800 points in one single day. And do you think this is a coincidence? So October 10, we already have Dow Jones drop more than 800 points, and November 11, which is on Sunday, and because it lingering, Sunday there's no stock market, right? It's just the aftermarket. So the stock market opened today, it dropped more than 600 points. So do you think this is a coincidence, or do you think this is an orchestrated event by the elite? So this is just too much coincidence. Please comment below. Do you think this is a coincidence? And don't forget, this Economist magazine, they published back in 1988. They talk about 10/10/2018. Get ready for world currency. So this is not recently. This is talk about like in the 90s. In the 1988, they have this Economist front page the front page on the magazine. So, and I do talk about November 11. A lot of people saying that this is not true, but what happened today? November 11, we have some type of Dow Jones drop 600 points once again. So please comment below. Do you think we are going to have a global reset very soon again? But we already have a 2 stock market crash already. Do you think this is a coincidence, or do you think there's more to come? Please comment below. I would like to hear from you. And let's talk about the Bitcoin Cash hard fork coming up on November 15. So right now we have 2 camps right now. So the one side is the Bitcoin Cash ABC, which is supported by Roger Ver, And the other side is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. So which is SV is Satoshi Vision. So which is supported by a Wright. Right now, Wright's pool have more than 63% of the hashing power of Bitcoin Cash. So CoinGeek is going to support Wright, and SV pool, of course, belongs to Wright. So CoinGeek is going to support Wright as well as its SV pool, and OK Miner as well as Mempool is going to support Wright, the Bitcoin SV. So that will be 63% of the hashing power right there. So whoever has more hashing power, they will have a say in the future of the Bitcoin Cash. So it looks like this is a zero-sum game. Based on the tweet, based on the Wright, it looks like this is a zero-sum game, and either one will win during this war. So my question is, which one is going to win? Do you think Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin SV? Stay tuned on November 15th. Will be interesting how this play out. And so I talked about Bitcoin Cash half fall probably 2 weeks ago when not that many people talk about it. At the time, Bitcoin Cash is only 430 something. It pumps all the way over $600, and now it go back down to probably $500. So if you follow my channel, you shouldn't miss this pump. And another thing, Poloniex is already listed. They already traded in Poloniex, the Bitcoin Cash SV. The Bitcoin Cash SV is traded in Poloniex. Right now, the current price is 107. At one point, it go all the way up to 122. I think a few days ago, it's just 85 bucks. It has been pumping a little bit already. So let me know what you think. Who will win this war? Please comment below. It seems like, to me, looks like a zero-sum game. Only one of the coin will survive during this this hard fall. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. A lot of people talk about that they're going to. So a lot of people are talking about because of the stock market crash, people will move their asset or move to the cryptocurrency. But I mean, to a lot of traditional institution investor, this is cryptocurrency is a risky asset. And in fact, to the contrary, because of the stock market tumbles today, you can see the U.S. Treasury, the 30-year go up all the way like 3.3 or 3.3%. This is pretty high. You can see U.S. Treasury for 30-year is spiking up, and 10-year also spiking up as well. Actually, people are moving the money out of the stock market to the U.S. Treasury. Ironically, they think that this is a safe haven, and yet those Treasury is just a fiat currency. It doesn't back by anything, right? Isn't it? So this is a little bit interesting how people react to the stock market. It has been spiked up since October 10, the mini stock market crash. And don't forget, the Bitcoin future, CBOE future contract is going to expire on November 14. So it will be coming up in the next 1 or 2 days. And if you go to BTC USD short position, right now it's not that high, but this can change. Drastically. It can, in just 24 hours, it can pump up quite quickly too. But this time, I don't see any reason why they want to pump Bitcoin, because there's no reason to pump it, because the short position is not that many, and there's no reason to liquidating to liquidate the short position or to kill the short position. Same as Ethereum USD, it goes all the way down in here. So right now is what the short position is very low. There's no reason to pump the price and kill the short position. But once the contract expire, then maybe a little bit pump. We don't know. I could be wrong too, because it has been going down so much. It may be have a reversal as well, and this is as well. It going down so much, it may have a reversal as well. We don't know. At this time, I don't see any pump, but I could be wrong. But I suspect maybe there will be reversal, but right now it's too early to tell. And if you go to the Big Max liquidation bot right now, they're currently liquidating long on Bcash, sell Bcash, liquidating long on Bcash, sell Bcash, liquidating long on Ripple, sell Ripple, liquidating long on Ethereum, sell Ethereum, sell Ethereum. Currently they're doing that right now. And if you go to the whale wallet, there's some movement. See, I told you, every single time we're near the CBOE or anytime a Bitcoin future contract is going to expire, there's some movement of the wallet. In the last 24 hours, we have huge movement of the whale wallet. Somebody moved around over 9,400 Bitcoin and 6,000 Bitcoin, 6,800 Bitcoin, 5,800 Bitcoin, 14,000, over 14,000 Bitcoin has been moved in just less than 24 hours. I'm not sure they're moving this Bitcoin to pump or dump or doing something. So that will be interesting to see. They may, so we don't know yet. But you can see such a huge movement. That's mean there's some volatility coming up, it looks like. And if you see the Ethereum long position has been building up as well. And for the Bitcoin long position, it's not that remarkable. And so yeah, it's long position, yeah, it has been building up. So what do you think? Do you think there will be a pump, or do you think there's a dump? At this time, I don't see any reason why they want to pump the Bitcoin, because of there's no reason to pump, because you don't need to pump to liquidate the short position. And I could be wrong too. This could be changed anytime. This could be pumped all the way in less than 24 hours. This is exactly what happened in Ethereum last time. So we don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you think that's going to be a pump, or is going to dump? But look at the whale wallet. There's a huge movement of some whale wallet in the last 24 hours. And the Bitcoin future contract is going to expire on November 14. So we'll see. Anytime we near those CBOE future contract or Bitcoin future contract, there's always volatility. Let me know what you think about the upcoming future contract is going to expire. Do you think will be a pump, or do you think there's a dump on the Bitcoin market, or do you think there will be sideways for the market? If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, hard fork, token swap, or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So if you have already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification button so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap or hard fork. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe. Peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO or cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.